Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name is Ryan, and today we're doing another Precision 22 ammo test. Today it's Lapua Midas Plus. Only problem is I'm running out of ammo here, and I have no way to get more of it. So I have 25 shots, so we're going to go straight to 5-shot groups. I fouled with another Lapua ammunition that we already used in another video last week, the Center X. So hopefully the lubes are the same and everything kind of works out. If not, it is what it is. So, without further ado, first 5 shots, first group, Midas Plus. Got extremely high winds from left to right at the moment, so you might have to just take a breather, and I'll start shooting when the wind flag dies down. Apparently it's not going to die down, so we're just going to shoot anyways. First group. A little high. High and left, as always. First group out of the way. I think the wind's kind of messing us up here a bit, but it's conditions we're given, it's conditions we shoot in. Failure to extract again. Well, it's no Center X, but it's still pretty good stuff. So let's move on to group number 3. Failure to extract. Not having the best of luck with extraction lately. Still good ammo, but it's not as good as the Center X by the looks of it. Group number 4. And group number 5, 5 shots. So there we have it. That's our Lapua Midas Plus. All the shot data from here be displayed now. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up, and see you next week.